Being in debt can feel like being trapped, especially when it seems to stretch endlessly into the future. For many people, regardless of where they are in the world, including Nigeria, finding a path to freedom from debt quickly becomes a top financial priority. As a finance expert, I can tell you that while there's no magic wand to make debt disappear overnight, there are proven strategies and a mindset shift that can significantly accelerate your journey to financial freedom. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about discipline, smart choices, and a clear plan. Let's explore how you can get out of debt fast. 1. The foundation. Understand your debt and your cash flow. Before you can tackle your debt, you need to know exactly what you're up against. This sounds simple, but many people don't have a clear picture. List all your debts. Get a comprehensive list of every debt you owe. This includes credit cards, personal loans, overdrafts, informal loans from family or friends, microfinance loans, and any other liabilities. Key details for each debt. For each debt, note down the total amount owed, the principal, the interest rate, APR. This is crucial. The minimum monthly payment, the due date. Assess your income and expenses. Budgeting this is non-negotiable. You cannot effectively fight debt without a budget. Track your income. How much money consistently comes in each month? Track your expenses. Where's your money going? Differentiate between needs, rent, food, transportation, utilities, and wants, entertainment, dining out, luxury items, impulse purchases. Identify surplus or deficit. Does your income exceed your expenses? If you're in a deficit, you're likely accumulating more debt. If you have a surplus, how much extra cash can you free up to attack your debt? Budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook can help you track every naira. This initial assessment gives you your battle plan. It shows you the enemy, your debts, and your ammunition, your surplus income. 2. Choose your attack strategy, avalanche versus snowball. There are two popular and effective strategies for accelerated debt repayment. The best one for you depends on your personality and how you stay motivated. A. The debt avalanche method, mathematically superior. How it works: list all your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest interest rate, regardless of the balance. Make only the minimum payments on all debts except the one with the highest interest rate. Direct all available extra money, your surplus from budgeting, towards the debt with the highest interest rate. Once that debt is paid off, take the money you were paying on it, its minimum payment plus the extra money, and apply it to the debt with the next highest interest rate. Repeat until all debts are gone. Why it's effective: this method saves you the most money in the long run because you eliminate the most expensive debt first, reducing the total interest you pay. It's ideal for those who are highly disciplined and motivated by financial efficiency. B. The debt snowball method, psychologically powerful. How it works: list all your debts from the smallest balance to the largest balance, regardless of the interest rate. Make only the minimum payments on all debts except the one with the smallest balance. Direct all available extra money towards the debt with the smallest balance. Once that debt is paid off, take the money you were paying on it, its minimum payment plus the extra money, and apply it to the debt with the next smallest balance. Repeat until all debts are gone. Why it's effective: this method provides quick wins. By paying off smaller debts rapidly, you build momentum and stay motivated. It's psychologically satisfying to see debts disappear, which can keep you committed to the plan, even if you pay slightly more interest overall compared to the avalanche method. 3. Fuel your debt repayment. Free up more cash. Regardless of the strategy you choose, the faster you want to get out of debt, the more money you need to throw at it. Cut expenses ruthlessly. Go through your budget with a fine-tooth comb. Are there subscriptions you don't use? Can you cook at home more often instead of eating out? Can you reduce transportation costs? Every naira saved is a naira that can go towards debt. Increase your income. Can you take on a side hustle? Offer freelance services? Sell unused items around your home? Even a little extra income can make a significant difference when consistently applied to debt. In Nigeria, side hustles like tutoring, selling goods online, or offering specialized skills, e.g. graphic design, web development, are increasingly viable options. Temporary sacrifices. Understand that getting out of debt fast often means making temporary sacrifices, delaying non-essential purchases, cutting back on luxuries, and living frugally for a period can dramatically speed up your progress. 4. Consider debt consolidation with caution. Debt consolidation involves taking out a new loan to pay off multiple existing debts. The goal is to get a single, lower monthly payment with a lower interest rate, simplifying your repayment. Benefits can lower your overall interest payments, simplify payments, and potentially reduce your monthly outlay. Risks: if you don't address the underlying spending habits, you could end up accumulating new debt on top of the consolidation loan, worsening your situation. Ensure the interest rate on the new loan is significantly lower than your existing debts. In Nigeria, personal loans from banks or credit unions can sometimes serve as debt consolidation loans. Evaluate the terms carefully, especially the interest rates and any associated fees. 5. Negotiate with creditors when appropriate. If you're truly struggling to make minimum payments, contacting your creditors can sometimes lead to a more manageable repayment plan. Be honest and proactive. Don't wait until you default. Explain your financial situation clearly and politely. Propose a plan. Have a realistic payment plan in mind that you can genuinely stick to. Ask for concessions. You might be able to negotiate a lower interest rate, a temporary reduction in minimum payments, a waiver of late fees. Be aware of impact on credit. While getting a reduced payment plan can help you manage, it might also be noted on your credit report, potentially impacting your creditworthiness. 6. Build an emergency fund, crucial for staying debt-free. This might seem counterintuitive when you're trying to pay off debt fast, but establishing a small emergency fund, e.g., N50 000 to N100 000 to start, is vital. Prevents new debt, unexpected expenses, medical emergencies, car repairs, job loss, are a major reason people fall deeper into debt. An emergency fund acts as a buffer, preventing you from resorting to loans or credit cards when life happens. Prioritize a mini fund first. Even if you can't save 3 to 6 months of living expenses immediately, aim for a small, accessible fund before going full force on debt repayment. The mindset shift, discipline, and patience. Getting out of debt fast isn't just about numbers. It's about a fundamental shift in your financial mindset. Discipline. Stick to your budget, make those extra payments, and resist the urge for impulse spending. Patience and persistence. Debt repayment is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be tough days, but celebrating small wins, like paying off your first debt with the snowball method, can keep you motivated.